that I would be in this situation where I'm feeling like I'm in trouble.
You are in trouble. You knew you were looking at potentially life in prison.
You got to forgive me. I'm nervous because the life in prison, it floors me. I'm in a situation where I know the gravity of.
Okay, let me just stop you now. So
Well,
where we are now.
I had no idea that I was choosing.
Okay, let me just tell you that ship has sailed.
Can I take the ISS? I'm not trying to argue with you. I just want you to know that I had no clue. I did not know.
And the court is going to revoke you.
This guy is back in Judge Boyd's courtroom because he refused to do what she ordered. Sign up for felony drug court. In Texas, that program is basically strict rehab and constant supervision meant to help nonviolent offenders stay out of prison, but only if they actually stick with it. It's one of the best breaks someone can get when they're facing heavy time. But instead of grabbing that chance, he tossed it aside like it didn't matter. Now he's staring at a possible life sentence, acting clueless about how he got to this point. Just wait until you see his reaction. It's wild, but not in a good way. Tell me in the comments if you think he's really confused or just...
Your Honor, may I just say I just want to thank you for the privilege and opportunity to be before you and have this matter resolved. And I thank you for the previous opportunity that you had given me. And I especially want to thank you for when you said it. If you have any problems to come back to the court, I'm just glad to get this resolved today.
All right, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court is calling 2019 CR 12887, State of Texas versus Ross Kuko. Could I have the parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense?
Meredith Chacon for the defendant, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Kuko?
I am, Your Honor.
All right, are you the same? I'm sorry, did you have a chance to review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Ross Kuko who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2019 CR 12887 for the offense of aggravated robbery on May 27, 2021 for a period of 8 years and extended for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
That is me, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violating condition number 49 on or about the 25th day of March 2024 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant Ross Kuko given their refuse to placement and failed to comply with the rules and regulations of felony drug court in violation of condition number 49.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 49, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 49?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 49 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
No, there's not, Your Honor.
State, what are you requesting?
Revocation, Your Honor.
Defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, my client would like to ask that you consider sending him either to ISF, which was the original plan when he came before you before, or he has found another program he wanted to talk to you about. His understanding, I guess I can do this by question and answer, but his understanding when he went to sign the paperwork at felony drug court was that you had told him at the last hearing that if he found something better or there was anything he needed from you, that he could come back and ask. So he told them he'd rather go to ISF and thought he was coming back here to ask you for ISF. So technically he did not sign, but he wanted to be able to address you about that. If I could ask him just a couple of questions.
Sure, but before we do that, I will tell you that this is his fourth motion to revoke.
Yes, Your
All
Honor.
right, you can raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
My name is Ross Kuko.
All right, defense?
Mr. Kuko, you understand that when you were here previously on a motion to revoke, you were ordered and agreed to go to felony drug court, correct?
And yes, and that was
Okay.
a great privilege. And I take it very seriously, the privilege of being able to do that.
Okay. So then when you went to felony drug court and you did your appointment to get everything set up to start there, what was the reason you would not sign the paperwork?
Well, because it's a very intensive program. And I just felt at that time that I'd love the opportunity still to do it, but I don't feel like I was given a shot out of the gate. I wanted to be able to have transitional before. I just wasn't ready yet for the drug program.
Bad look. Drug court in Texas is basically a court-run rehab program. You check in regularly, follow strict rules, and get treatment instead of being locked up. It's tough, but compared to serving years in prison, it's a gift. Last time, Judge Boyd let him avoid an 8-year sentence for armed robbery by giving him this program. All he had to do was agree and stick to it, but he straight up refused. That's like being handed a lifeline and choosing to let go. When asked about it, he nervously tried to say he thought he could choose another program at a church instead. But Judge Boyd shut him down, telling him the order was clear. Felony drug court. Not anything else. He kept insisting it was a misunderstanding, but the judge wasn't buying it. In the end, she canceled the deal and sentenced him to 8 years in prison. She made it clear, when the court gives you an order, you don't get to rewrite it. Bottom line, he had a clear path to freedom, ignored it, and now he's paying the price.